Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to this new series of e-commerce Laravel multi-vendor project tutorials. In this series we are going to make a new project where we will learn how to make an e-commerce application in Laravel version 10. But don't worry, you can use the same process in any other version of Laravel. So in this series we will be using Offcourse Laravel framework, Livewire and jQuery. In this project, we will use PayPal and Stripe as payment methods, so don't worry, every tool we will need in this series, everything will be provided in description section. So once you have any problem, don't hesitate, let me know in the comments section. I will try to answer you questions. So let's get started, and don't forget to support us in different ways. See you in the next video.